Let's check your skip counting. Your skip counting should have been 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. If you did not do that skip counting right, your whole answer would be wrong. And skip counting again is just adding by 4 over and over and over. Over here we have our eights. And again, we're skip counting by 8. So we're adding by 8 over and over. Repeated addition is multiplication. So 8 plus 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. Now we're ready to begin. 8 times 5 is 40. So we put a 0 here. And remember, it's important about the columns. And some of you are using the line paper and making sure that the lines are in between. That is fantastic. 8 times 5 is 40. But again, we add our top, which makes it 44. So we are finished with our first row. I'm going to go over here and change it to a different, I'm going to change it to a different color. I'm going to make this 4 a red. And we go to the second row and we add the 0 there because now we are multiplying in the tens column. So 4 times 5 is 20. And we put a 2 up here. And it's hard for me to do that. So in my class, I forgot, we crossed this out because that's a strategy that we found helpful, that we were done with using that, so we're going to cross that out. So back to the skin, 4 times 5 is 20, so I put my 2 up here. 4 times 5 is 20 again, and we add our 2, which makes it 22. Now we're at the point where we add 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 2 plus 0 is 2. Now you look at it and it does not equal the dividend. Remember I said that there was something we were going to do with our remainder. This is where that comes in. For you to be able to make sure that it completely checks, we need to add our remainder. So we're going to add our 12 to this number and see if we come out to the same number as the dividend. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. And then we fill in the rest here. So our number is 2,652, and that is exactly the same as our dividend. So therefore, we know that we did our multiplication problem correct. In the next few slides, you're going to be given problems. You're going to work on those individually in your groups, and then you're going to check them with your multiplication.